with people who panic. They hear the noise and the static, and then we all become frantic. We hear the omens and legends. We're praising gold in our pleasures. We're looking over our shoulders, pretend we got it together. Draw the blood, check under your bed. Hide your gold and hold your breath. Feel the ghost in your chest. Check your bones, it's here today. Paranoia, you know it's coming for ya. Venom in your blood, and there's no one here to warn ya. Paranoia, you've been here before ya. Can knock up all your doors, but there's a phantom in your foyer. Taking all our attention, too busy with expectations. We're losing all our convictions. Draw the blood, check under your bed. Hide your gold and hold your breath. Feel the ghost in your chest. Check your bones, it's here today. Paranoia, you know it's coming for ya. Venom in your blood, and there's no one here to warn ya. Paranoia, you've been here before ya. Knock up all your doors, but there's a phantom in your foyer. Stick under your bed, hide your gold and hold your breath. Feel the ghost in your chest. Take your bones, it's here today. Paranoia, you know it's coming for ya. Venom in your blood, there's no one here to warn ya. Paranoia, you've been here before ya. Knock up all your doors, there's a phantom in your foyer. Paranoia, you know it's coming for ya. Venom in your blood, there's no one here to warn ya. Paranoia, you've been here before ya. Knock up all your doors, there's a paranoia.
Let me tell you I'm a monster. I come alive and you're around me, around me. Baby, now that I'm upon you, I can feel that you were drowning, drowning. So pull me closer,